gift to the world. You have 100,000 artifacts inside. It's a $1 billion museum. So you have a lot of history inside, but the facade of the museum, for those who have passed by, is very modern. Someone will say, well, you know what, you have so many Egyptian artifacts all over the world. That's true, but this is the only museum where the pyramids is your backdrop. So there's so much to talk about when it comes to the gem. The gem is at the Giza Plateau. It is very close to the Sphinx airport, 40 minutes from El Fayoum. So there's a whole story around showcasing our history in a contemporary way. So if I want to export something, I have to have a competitive edge. So the idea is that I need to make the Egyptian product competitive. Why is my product not competitive? It's not competitive because I've, over the years, have not done structural changes.
Right, so, I don't want to use the fact that I'm the moderator to ask my questions first. I'll take your questions first.
So my question is about the administrative reconstruction. How does it differ from the administrative reform that Dr. Hala Said in the Ministry of Planning, for example?
We have the idea of getting more women in jobs just to fill the number. We need to get women in jobs if they're actually, they have the potential and capability of doing so.
You have to know what each ministry is trying to do to improve the country and what is their program. And I think the presentation of Dr. Rania was very informative about the tourism reform program.
We learned how the tourism industry is trying to reform